This Chamberwood Realty Group property video is presented by Matt Wood. Immaculate home. Split bedroom plan. Vaulted GR with gas fireplace. Fresh paint on the interior. Newer carpet and LVP flooring. Kitchen with breakfast bar, stainless steel appliances and refrigerator. Luxury bath with separate shower and jetted tub. Walk-in laundry with washer and dryer included. Large fenced-in backyard. Owner would like to have an 18-month lease if possible. For more information, review the details below or contact Matt Wood at 901-861-4808.